Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. On my last video, I showed you how to flash the screen on the Ender 3S1. That way it has the option for the CV-Laser Module. On this video, I will show you how to install the firmware for the main board. That way it can use and control the CV-Laser Module on the Ender 3S1. How you do that? First of all, we need to go to support. We go to the download section. Here, if you go to the Ender series firmware and you go to the Ender 3S1, the last firmware that you're going to see is from the 31st of December and it's the version 1.05 underscore C. But there's another firmware, the version 1.06. How you find that version? You need to go to the accessory firmware and you go to the CV-Laser Module. Here you're going to see this file that is the same that we used on our last video to flash the screen on the Ender 3S1. After you download this file, you are going to open it and you will see this folder that is called CV-Laser Module firmware, and you're going to see two different files. The one that we used on our last video, the private folder always contains the flash files for the screen. Okay, on any firmware that you download and you see a private folder, that means that's a file that you can use to flash your screen on the Ender 3S1. On this case is the one that we are working. But if you see this other file that is called update.rar, when we double click and we open, you're going to see this file, the bin file. This is the file that we are going to use to install the firmware on the printer, on the main board. And if you see, it has the version 1.0.6 underscore C, and it's for the CR Touch or FDM printer plus laser. This firmware will let you, or it will allow the printer to recognize the CV-Laser module, and it can control or it can interact with the module. Okay, now that you identify the file, you are going to click on extract to. You're going to select your SD card and you are going to click OK. The extraction process will start, and when it finishes, then what you need to do, you need to take your SD card. You're going to place it on the SD card slot on the printer. You are going to turn on your printer and the installation of this firmware will start. After it finishes, you just turn off your printer, take out the SD card, and I always will recommend you to delete that bin file from the SD card. That way the printer doesn't try to install again the bin file. I know that the Ender 3S1, if the bin file has the same name, it will not install again that firmware, but who knows what happens in the future if that feature get break or something and you have that bin and then the printer keep looping on the firmware installation. Okay, that's my recommendation, to delete the file after you use it from the SD card. This is all. Now you know how to patch your Ender 3S1 to the latest version, the version 1.0.6. If you have any questions or comments, leave it below. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.